In this video, I'm going to show you the 6 best winter side hustles that can make you $100 plus per day. Chances are, if you are here, you are interested in making some new income. Just something that can help you and maybe get you eventually financially free. The good news is it's completely possible with some boots, a hat, pair of gloves, and a well thought out plan. We are going to break down the winter hustles into 2 different categories. And in each category, we're going to give you 3 different examples. Each example will show you how easy and how fast the hustle can make you money. As the thumbnail and hook suggests, we are opening up some ideas for some winter hustles. But not all winter hustles are outside. For example, if you are into making winter apparel, you most likely will not be making them outside, and shipping them from outside either. Makes sense, right? That's why these are being broken up into 2 different categories: indoor and outdoor. Let's start with the indoor hustles, because let's face it, it's warmer and most people don't like being cold, even the people that have lived in it for all their lives. Winter hustle number 1, easy and fast, raking leaves. The best way to deal with something is to prepare for it. Winters are hard and long enough without having to deal with all the prep and cleanup. There are a lot of things that can harm a home, and water is a big one. A great way to get ahead of some extra work in the spring is to clean up all the leaves, branches before the snow flies. All you need is a rake, a lawn, and some leaves. Proper bags can be bought from local hardware stores, and all you have to do is put the leaves in a bag and leave them on the curb. The recycling trucks take them away for you in specific times a year. If you go to the city website, they'll probably give you a date. Of course, there are some guidelines, but that's pretty straightforward. Still a great system. You can put up some flyers, put an ad in the local paper, and go knock on some doors if you have that kind of neighborhood. If you do a good job, this could be a yearly hustle for you. Winter hustle number 2. Requires some effort, and it's semi-fast. House maintenance and cleaning. If you are good at keeping your home clean and in good working order, this might be a great winter hustle for you. House maintenance can cover a lot of things. You could paint, fix broken things, or help install TVs or pictures. Maybe help move furniture. People are always moving and always need help. If you've ever moved, you know how hard of an experience it can be, especially if you have a big family. You could also clean and organize. So many people don't have the time, so they hire cleaning services to do so. Clean carpets, vacuum, dust, windows, clean the kitchen or bathroom. People pay good money to have their homes organized and cleaned. If you don't own any serious equipment, it can be rented if you don't have it. Most people have the basic cleaning supplies and the basic tools around the house already. Bringing your own is better because you know what you got and you have the experience using them already. This is our 3rd and final indoor hustle. Fully focused and like a turtle. Winter products. If you have a shop or workshop anywhere isolated from the winter and you have the skills, equipment, and supplies, use that space to build something that is needed. This clearly requires some investment and some experience up front. But if you have the ability, just go for it. You could build rocking horses, breadboards, hats, gloves, costumes, or just anything you can think of, anything that you can build, anything that you can make. Doesn't matter. If it's winter related and it is needed, it will sell. This hustle will take some time to create to sell some products. This is most likely not a part-time thing. It will require some time to get going. After you have all your products, then you need to get the word out. Start a website, connect with local shops and make a deal with them. Sell it on commission. If it sells in the store, that means you get paid. This approach might be the best way to get your products on display at first. Now we move on to the outdoor hustles. Winter hustle number 4, easy and fast, snow removal. The most obvious and traditional way of making money in the snow is snow removal. All you need is a shovel, a driveway, sidewalk, or a parking lot and lots of snow. If you want to add more value to your service, add salting. Gets rid of ice and helps keep it clear for longer. Obviously, having a snowblower or a truck with a plow attachment would be more efficient and leverage less time for more money, but this also requires expensive equipment, which most people don't have. Not everyone can do that, but if you can, it might be a good idea to at least look into it. You know, the cost of gas, repairs, how much a plow is, just expenses in general. This hustle can create a lot of money right away. It might be sporadic, but it will pay good when it does. You can scale this over the years, gain new customers, get better at marketing, Get better at doing the job just in general. Winter hustle number 5. Requires some effort, semi-fast, teaching or coaching. If you have some skill that can be taught in the winter months outside, then this might be a great idea. Let's use skating for an example. If you can skate really well, then you can teach it. Any sport, don't matter. You could teach figure skating or coach hockey. If you have coached some hockey, then maybe getting involved in a league could create a little bit of extra winter income for you. The good thing about ice is that it can be recreated inside. This means you could teach or coach year-round if that's what your goal was. If you have the ability but don't have a skating rink, then just make one. If you have the space on your property, of course. May require a little bit of water too. You could teach people how to ice fish. That's a huge industry in places where the weather gets really cold. To be perfectly honest, this is how a lot of people eat, and how they've eaten for a long time. After you know what people like, then maybe look into creating some courses or digital downloads for people to purchase. This is how you make money while you sleep. Our 6th and final winter hustle. Fully focused and like a turtle. Christmas lights. If you decide to go full on Christmas holidays, you could always start charging other people to decorate their homes. Not everyone has the time or skill, but if they have the money, they will most likely hire it out, especially if you do a good job. If your home is decorated really well, then you could use that as the advertisement. Some people will have their own decorations, so all you need to do is decorate. Usually these people have something particular in mind, so this might require a higher level of decorating skills, with some experience. And some houses are really big. Something this big would require a little bit of a team. Start out small and start decorating small homes. Then when your gear grows, then do bigger houses. It's not just real estate that needs decorating. So do offices. You can even plan parties. It's endless. There are many side hustles that can be done in the winter that aren't necessarily winter related, nor do they all just make money in one season. Turning your winter hustle into an every season hustle is possible, but the more winter related it is, the harder it might be to make it year round. If this is your goal, it might be a good idea to go more traditional route and do one of the online hustles like affiliate marketing or e-commerce. This is the traditional way to the so-called passive income. So put on some warm boots, a winter hat, some gloves, and go out into the snow. Or just stay inside. Either way, just keep hustling to make that $100 plus per day. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, ring the bell for future notifications, and make sure to subscribe. Do you have a favorite winter side hustle? If so, leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to check out these other ones as well. Thank you for watching.